Hello again, I'm your Excel Guru and welcome to the second video of Excelonomics. If you've watched our first video, you are now familiar with the Excel interface and some basic functions. Today, we'll take it up a step further by exploring formatting techniques to make your data stand out and learning a few more essential functions for everyday tasks. Let's start. Formatting techniques are used to format your data and is a key step to making it easy to read and understand the data. Let's look at some common formatting tools in Excel. First is font and cell styling. So for instance, we have this data and this is very vague and we cannot read it properly what kind of data it is and how do we understand and what analysis do we perform from this data. So first let's highlight the headings. So we can do this bold, italic and underline as per requirement of your data. Then we can change the font size from this tab and font style from here, whichever you like. So I'll keep it at 12 for the heading and toss. Okay. Secondly, we can resize the cells. So we select the data or we can select whole sheet and just double click here. So it will automatically adjust it. Now we can do some border styling. So we'll select the data. Here is the borders, bottom, top, left, right, or all cells. So we'll do all cells and then we can add some heading color. So either we can do dark color or we can do some light color. I think light color looks good. So we'll go with the light color. Now let's do some number formatting so that it becomes easy for us to read the data. So we will select all the numbers. Here we can go to general number, currency or anything. So we'll select currency and this is in pkr. If you want to change the currency, more number format, currency, and here you can use any currency in which you're working. So we'll choose US dollars and okay. So this data is in US dollar or this is if this is population data. So we'll just select the number, comma, and this is number formatting, correct number formatting for this data. Now let's work on some more formatting styles. So if our data is in this shape and we have so many data, we cannot adjust all the data here. So we will do the wrap text. In this way, whatever the size of our cell is, it will wrap the text. We can select this and center and upward. So this presentation looks good. Now let's use some functions. So we can earlier we used sum function and minimum, maximum, average. Now we'll use count function which equals to count and select the data and this will give us the number count. Next is concatenate. If we want to merge data from two cells, we go to concatenate New York City, comma New York, and this will combine the data. Either we can do wrap text or we can increase the percent. So if we want to have a space between the two data, what we can do is comma space comma or comma inverted comma space and inverted comma. So this created a space in our data. So we can just copy and paste. So we have all the cities with their state, or we can do instead of space we can also have a comma. So in this way we have city, comma, state. This is concatenation of data. One more function is date function or time function. If we write is equals to now and bracket, so this will give us right now time and date and everything. Our function, and if we write today is equals to today, this will give us date of today. You can format the cell in whatever convenient format is for you. So this is, I'll do this. Let's apply what we've learned. Imagine you're creating a monthly sales report. You can create a table with headers like product, unit sold, and revenue. Format the headers with bold text, a border, and a fill color. Use the sum function to calculate the total revenue. Apply currency formatting to the revenue column. Add a timestamp at the top with the now function. This is your assignment. Please let me know in comment section what challenges did you face while completing this assignment. That's a wrap up for today. We've explored formatting techniques to make your data pop and learn some powerful functions to enhance your analysis. In the next video, we'll dive into Excel's conditional formatting tools and introduce logic functions like and or. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Excelonomics, and share your feedback in the comments. Until next time, keep exploring Excel. Bye bye.